Guys, look at this. Aren't they so cute? These are the Dice Gelato of Army Navy. They come in 3 flavors, salted caramel, choco hazelnut, and pistachio. I get the pistachio and choco hazelnut. And this is at 240 pesos. Price at 240 pesos, pero sobrang siksik naman, sobrang dami na ding laman. Ang sarap. It's very creamy. Very gelato yung taste, hindi ice cream. As a chocolate lover, sobrang sarap ng choco hazelnut. As you can see, may mga bits of chocolates pa talaga siya. Ayan o. Sarap niya. Kinukuha na anak ko kasi ang sarap talaga. The pistachio is very creamy. I was just hoping sana may pistachio nuts talaga to. Ito perfect to dun sa mga hindi mahilig sa matatamis kasi hindi sa matamis at all. Pwede nyo i-share kasi mukha siyang maliit pero sobrang siksik niya. Winner to. At ang cute pa ng packaging. Ayan no, 240 pesos lang sa Army Navy. Bye!